Hello everyone, I am Reva. Welcome back to my channel, Will It Work? Today we will talk about how to fly under Vande Bharat scheme, which is for stranded Indian nationals in overseas countries who are eagerly waiting to fly to India. Note, for the OCI card holders, please check with the respective embassy as there might be restrictions or upliftment of restrictions due to COVID-19. Warning, always check for latest Government of India guidelines for COVID-19. This is a 5-step process, so let's dive into the video. 1. Registration of those stranded Indian nationals at their respective embassy. Number 2. Book flight ticket on Air India under Vande Bharat scheme. Number 3. Passenger declaration or self-reporting form. Number 4. Apply for exemption. Number 5. Take gold standard RT-PCR COVID test in Delhi airport if needed. Registration at respective embassy. In this case, I am showing Indian Embassy's website in United States. I am choosing the second link which mentions as registration form. This is how the page looks like. All we have to do is provide the required basic information like name, phone number, email address, your physical address and 3 other important questions at the bottom of the page and then click submit. The URL for this registration at respective embassy is provided in the description below. Now we have completed step 1. Step 2. Book your flight on Air India's website. Due to COVID, Air India's website is loaded with lots of important information for all the travelers. On Air India's website, click on Book Flight tab. It will take you to this screen. On this page, select the description Passengers traveling to India. This will take you to flight search page. Note, we can book only one way. It is always recommended to check latest Vande Bharat flight schedule which is on the website of Air India. In this step, the rest is regular ticketing process. Do not forget to carry the credit or debit card used for the purchase of the ticket during travel. With this, we complete step 2. Step 3. Passenger declaration or self-reporting form. This is a very crucial step and always provide the right information. By this, we are agreeing to follow Government of India COVID guidelines and quarantine regulations. On Air India's website, under Book Flight tab, we can see Air Suvidha on the left corner. By clicking on it, this will be directed to New Delhi's airport official website. On top right corner, we see Air Suvidha tab. Under the drop-down menu, select Fill the self-reporting form. Fill this form and click Submit. Or you can also do the same by using Air Suvidha app. This is a new initiative for safety and have contact-less immigration service. With this, we have completed step 3. Step 4. This is for eligible persons as per guidelines to avail exemptions from mandatory 7 days self-paid institutional quarantine. One of the exemption criteria is by getting COVID RT-PCR tests 96 hours before boarding the flight. RT-PCR test results needs to be uploaded not less than 72 hours before boarding the flight. It can be done under Air Suvidha drop-down menu on New Delhi Airport official website or by using Air Suvidha app. Please fill in the required details and submit. You will receive a reference number to track the status. In case you have no time to upload the results, please carry your RT-PCR reports as you may need it at the port of entry. Note: please do not travel in case your results show positive and always check for latest updates. By this, we complete step 4. Step 5. Due to some reasons, if any traveler is unable to get RT-PCR negative test report, then this traveler can take the test at Delhi Airport by booking their slot in advance on New Delhi Airport official website. So you can click this link, say book now. I have all these links in the description. Make sure you look at that page. So you can book. So you should enter all these details, enter name, email, phone number, give your Aadhaar or passport number. As per website, it requires minimum of 4 to 6 hours of wait time to receive your results. So plan accordingly. By this, we have completed all our steps and now you are ready to fly. All links have been provided in the description of this video for your ease. Always look for latest updates and guidelines as they keep changing from time to time. For more information, look for Air India website. I am providing this information based upon my research, hoping it might be helpful to you. Be safe, follow social distancing. Do not step out without a mask. Jai Hind.